Welcome back. Rajinikanth celebrates his birthday today, and this time it's a Thanksgiving day of sorts for millions of his fans. They are celebrating Rajinikanth's near total recovery from a kidney-related ailment. His fans lined up special pujas and charitable activities through the day.
சும்மா அதிரதுல சிவாஜியும் நான் தான், எம்ஜிஆரும் நான் தான்.
Rajinikanth's dialogues and one-liners have always given the people a chance to flaunt their attitude. There have been several one-liners which try to humorously present the phenomenon called Rajinikanth. Fawaz Jalil collects a few of these one-liners. Listen, watch and enjoy, because there is absolutely nothing that Rajini can't do.
Rajini number 1. Rajinikanth's calendar goes straight from March 31st to April 2nd because no one fools Rajinikanth.
Amma, pal. Ide, pamba. Na irukku. Pamba adike. Pamba. Pamba.
Rajini number 2. When Rajinikanth does push-ups, he isn't lifting himself up. He's pushing the earth down.
करण से बचोगे तो हुसैन से पिटो.
தலைவர் வாழ்ந்த காலத்துல நாங்க பிறந்து வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருக்கறதுல மிகப்பெரிய பெருமைப்படுறோம், சந்தோஷப்படுறோம்.
Rajini number 3. Rajinikanth doesn't wear a watch. He decides what time it is.
அவன ஹாஸ்பிடல்ல செத்துட்டானா, போலீஸ் தேடி வந்திருக்கு.
Rajini number 4. If Rajinikanth was born 100 years back, British would have fought to get independence.
முடிஞ்சா ஆடுற வரைக்கும் ஆடு, இல்ல ஓடுற வரைக்கும் ஓடு, இதுக்கு போய் அலட்டிக்கலாமா?
தலைவர் புதுசா மர்ஜன் எடுத்திருக்காரு. இது அவர் 62வது பிறந்தநாள் கிடையாது, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குழந்தை அவர், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 1வது பிறந்தநாள் அவர்.
Rajini number 5. Rajinikanth bought 2 elephants, 2 camels and 2 horses from the zoo. Do you know why? To play chess.
என்னப்பா மூணு விஷயம்?
இன்னொருத்தோடைய பொண்ணு மேலயும் சொத்து மேலயும் கண்ணு வைக்காத, உப்பிட்டவனை உயிரிழவரை நினை, அநியாயத்துக்கு அடிப்படையாதே, அடிச்சு தூள் பண்ணு, அப்போதான் நீ டக்கரா இருப்ப அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க சார். எங்க தாத்தா சொன்னது கரெக்ட் தானே சார்? ரொம்ப கரெக்ட்.
Rajini number 6. Rajinikanth once rolled a dice and scored a 7.
அடிக்கிறீங்களா என்ன? என்னடா?
And Rajini number 7. Rajinikanth wrote his autobiography. The book was released, titled Guinness Book of World Records. This is Fawaz Jalil for NDTV Hindu.
That was definitely interesting. In an exclusive with NDTV's 24/7, Latha Rajnikant, wife of actor Rajnikant, said that he celebrated his 62nd birthday with family and also stated that he was bouncing back to normal after a rough patch. She added that she has always treated him like a child, buying him multiple gifts, and also thanks his fans for their prayers.
Joining me now, Mrs. Latha Rajnikant. Ma'am, thank you so much for talking to us. A very big day for you. How did Sir celebrate today?
He was with the family and we were all together. You know, this year has been so important for us because of the rough patch that we have gone through in the past few months. And we are so happy that he's back and bouncing back to normal. And it was a beautiful moment for him to spend with his grandchildren and children and just be, you know, he's spending a very private and nice time.
What did you gift him today?
So many things. I always treat him like a little child and have been doing it for years. I make a collection of gifts and packs for him. But most especially we pray. We do a lot of prayer today and to thank all the people who have showered so much love and affection on us through all these years. And this year particularly for all the prayers from millions of people all around the world. So I think with folded hands, we would like to say thanks to everybody.
Now fans would like to know when is Sir going to resume his acting for his much awaited Kochadiyan now, ma'am?
He's just taking it easy and he just wants to enjoy this space because he's never had, as I said in the morning to other media, that he never had this kind of space in his life. You know, he's just taking time to sit back, really relax and then bounce back, you know, as he normally. You know, he's quite clear about what he wants to do and I'm sure he'll just get back to being himself very soon.
What can you tell us about the story? Who's going to pair with him in this movie?
I think that should be left to Soundarya to answer and I think let everything remain quite exciting at the moment and everything as and when the news is ready you will really get it.
How are you both as parents enjoying the song sung by Mr. Dhanush, Kolaviridi?
It's a wonderful thing to know that children are doing well and I heard the song much earlier than what you when it was released and as a singer, musician and composer I felt that it would really make an impact because it had something different. It was as he says, though it's a silly song as Dhanush says, it's a very catchy song.
And you must be quite proud that both daughters have taken into film direction.
Yes, I think there's an aptitude that's very strong in both of them and from childhood both have been extremely creative and they chose to go behind the camera and Soundarya is highly talented in her artistic skills in terms of right from childhood and so Aishwarya too has been a writer for a long time as I know from her childhood and I think the time is now ripe and they've evolved into their individual selves and I think they'll do well.
And lastly, ma'am, is there any message Sir wanted to convey his fans on this special day?
All the time he just wants to be so thankful to every one of them for their love. Unga anbukkum, aadaravukkum, ungaludiya prarthanaigalukkum, enga kudumbat sarbaga, sarbaga, ellorukkum nandri.
Thank you very much for your time, ma'am, and once again a very happy birthday from all of us from NDTV to Sir and for the entire. Thank you so much, ma'am. With camera person Raja in Chennai, Sam Daniel, NDTV.
His fans say that his birthday should be celebrated as World Style Day. Even at 62, superstar Rajnikant remains a sensation and style icon in the hearts of millions, a tribute to this legend of Indian cinema.
Rajini. The initial years of his film era was full of ups and downs. When superstar and Ulaganayagan danced together, millions could do nothing but stare. Rajini, who played many roles in his films, ruled the industry as villain and hero, but his style made him the undisputed hero, second to none.
மின்சாரக்கண்ணா எல்லாருக்கும் நேம் பிடிச்சிருக்கு தெரியுமா வயசானாலும் உன் ஸ்டைலும் அழகும் இன்னும் உன்னை விட்டு போகல
தேங்க்யூ
In the cinema world,
Shivajiyu Nanda, MGR Nanda.
Rajini remained in the hearts of millions of fans as a king, irrespective of language and kingdom.
Hey, ennada?
When he walks, when he smiles. The Kochadian hero who turned 62 today conquered the hearts of millions in his debut movie Apurva Ragangal, rose to the heights of Endiran, the robo of Indian cinema. This is Subarak for NDTV Hindu.
Happy birthday, Talaiva! No, I don't know. I'll just say, I don't know what to say. I just hope he is healthy, hale and hearty, young, energetic for years and years and years to come, so that even my grandchildren will have the same excitement of seeing a Talaiva movie, first day, first show. Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Rajni.
And that brings us to the end of this bulletin. Thank you for watching. This is Anu Josh Kanjani Topal for NDTV Hindu. Have a good night.